for Muslims to build in our age, given the lack of a caliphate? Are there any priorities you can encourage us to focus on in Western countries? Well, there's lots of priorities and we need to focus on them all. I think we need to upgrade the skill set of our imams, our religious leaders, our muftis, so that they can understand where we are culturally. We also need to make the dynamo that drives us as believers, that takes us to the mosque, that encourages us to fast, that makes us put up with a lot of hostility, to be love for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His Messenger, rather than a dogged insistence on our own identity. There's a lot of identity politics, and very often community institutions reflect identity politicking amongst Muslims rather than something that actually has a sound theology behind it. Too many of these Muslim councils and agencies and representative bodies in various Western countries look really like the kind of representative bodies that, say, the Afro-Caribbean community will have, that other essentially secularly defined communities will have, and as a result the outcomes tend to be secular outcomes. They might be good, they might be bad, but the niyyah, the underlying niyyah, is a tribal one rather than one based on the idea that we are not just another module in a multicultural society jostling for our share of rights. Instead, we are the vehicle through which ultimate Abrahamic truth is being mediated, and that we have the duty to proclaim that Muslim agencies should be da'wah oriented rather than just endlessly firefighting and explaining away the various things that some Muslims might be doing, or the various specific needs that Muslims might have in terms of prayer rooms, halal meat, and all of those issues. That shouldn't be the key focus. The key focus should be this charismatic proclamation of truth in an age of mammon.